Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another graduation week video. Today I have a really fun layered card for you. This is my You Did It layered card. How fun is this design? You have that really fun, really bold sentiment there. It says congratulations there on the bottom, the fun graduation cap on the top. There's a spot on the inside for your message. And of course I include an envelope as well. This card is really simple to put together. There's only 3 layers for that front cover panel and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. Okay, for this project you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Graduation Week 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or if you're interested in the entire event, including all 7 cut files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, and bonus graduation cut files through the VIP Access Pass, you can find information down below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight that top layer, come up to the Operation menu and change those to Score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing to the card base. Once the score lines have been converted for the envelope and the card base, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is layer the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together, but from back to front, you're going to start with the yellow layer, then the darker blue, and then lighter blue. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I put these pieces together, and I'll show you what they look like when I'm all done. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side for just a minute. Let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. We can set that to the side. Now we can take our card base, go ahead and fold and burnish along the score line. Open up the card and attach the messaging panel to the inside. Go ahead and fold up the card base and we can attach the front cover panel to the front. And there we go. I'm going to set that to the side so we can go ahead and dry. Now let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Flip the inlay over, attach it to the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Go ahead and fold our side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of those side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms your envelope. And our layered card is all set. How fun was this card to put together? You can totally customize it with your different school colors if you want. Just a really fun design. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who would love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Graduation Week video. Bye-bye.